Well, it's just over a month before we go, and I'm on my third practice run of packing my suitcase. So I started out with this one here. We're determined to travel light. We're determined that we are going to keep it light, keep it simple, and keep it to carry on if at all possible. So I started out with this one, and it wasn't a success. But Richard's decided he can take this one. So what I decided to do was buy this one. And I'm still struggling. I have to say, I haven't even taken the label off yet, just in case I need to return it. But let's see what we're up to. I have packed this bag. And I have put the backpack inside the bag just in case I am restricted to just one suitcase. But the idea is that I can take the backpack out and carry that separately. So I have a little kit that was provided on the last flight that I took that has a little toothbrush kit in it. I have various bits and pieces in here that I won't go into. We've got rain jacket. I've got some gifts to give to people that I might run into. I've got space for a water bottle, and really the main reason why I've got that there is in case I need to fill that space with something else that I haven't packed yet. For instance, a first aid kit or a toiletries bag. All my shoes are under there, which is literally just a pair of Vans and some thongs. And then in here is where I have my clothes. Now you can see that that's pretty full. That's pretty full in there. So I'm going to have to go through and repack that and take out more items. They're just thin things that don't take up much space. And just to give you an idea, see, it still hasn't taken the silicone bag out yet. These are things that I still haven't packed yet. My toiletries bag, my little pillow, my gimbal, this bear that I promised I was going to take with me as my mascot. I don't know where you're going to fit, Guula. And of course, the other thing that's essential that I do have to take is my laptop and my GoPro kit and my chargers. So it looks like I'm going to have to have another practice run at packing. Wish me luck.